In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change list for Aweber landing pages. To begin, log into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find the Pages and Forms tab, and then choose Landing Pages. This takes you to the area where all of your landing pages are listed, and it is the starting point for updating where new subscribers are sent. Next, locate the specific landing page you want to change. Click directly on the name of that landing page to open it. This will bring you into the landing page editor, where you can adjust the design and the settings tied to your form. Once the editor loads, click directly on the Sign Up form element inside the landing page design. It is important to click the form itself, not the background or a text box, because the settings on the right-hand side only change based on what you have selected. When the Sign Up form is selected, you should see its configuration options appear in the Settings panel on the right. In that right-hand Settings panel, click the Submission tab. The Submission section controls what happens after someone enters their information and submits the form. This is where you choose which email list those subscribers will be added to. Now look for the List drop-down menu within the Submission settings. Open the drop-down and select the new list you want subscribers to be added to going forward. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct list, especially if you manage multiple lists with similar names. Choosing the right list matters because it affects your follow-up campaigns, tagging, and reporting. After you make the change, go to the bottom of the screen and click Save and Exit. This saves your updated submission settings and returns you out of the editor. Finally, back on the main landing page's dashboard, click the Publish button to push your changes live. Until you publish, the updated list selection will not be applied to the live version of the page. Once publishing is complete, new signups will be added to the list you selected. That covers everything you need to know.